Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. A second bearish black crow yesterday as the market travelled in a no man's land between the overhead breached upper time, currently at 76.11, of the September to late November 2021, breached as I mentioned, bullish Andrews pitchfork, with its nearby partner, the January 2020 high at 70.26, and below the lower time of the bullish shift pitchfork, currently at 74.15, of the same move, plus the middle time of the bullish Andrews pitchfork, currently 73.78, and its partner since October of last year, the rising short medium moving average, currently at 73.74. Interesting, the market closed right on the short moving average, currently at 74.69. It seems the market still hasn't decided which of the two bullish pitchforks it really wishes to follow, whether the acute Andrews or the flatter Schiff. So far today, a slightly lower open and a test down towards the lower time of the bullish Andrews pitchfork, before a reactionary move back up, almost being a bullish double right now. German DAX futures. A strong move lower yesterday that reverted back up at the end into a possible hammer pattern, though not before making the second lowest low of this year. What it also did was break the October 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 15,009. This will be reassigned after this commentary. Overall, there is still the question out there I'd posed previously, though less well defined as time carries on, and that is to look at the whole of the 2022 action so far as a possible bear flag type action in construction. Whilst it is not constructed, it is still just clinging on as an idea. Hence the provisional target X on the downside in the 14,860 area has been achieved, whilst the secondary target X1 is still outside in the 14,400 area. This is by no means a done deal, but it is worth looking at. My only concession is that it does not look that good a pattern, but it's still there. I'd also add as a counter that the action since mid-January could be seen as a possible double bottom, Adam and Adam type. So far today, a small reactionary open higher and a drop to test the old uptrend line before a big move higher, making new highs this week. Overhead, we have a mess of Fibonacci levels between 15,592 and 15,620, plus a projected 50% Fibonacci line at 15,629. US E-mini S&P futures. A new monthly low for February yesterday, but also ultimately an indecisive spinning top pattern, just ahead of some congestion support from 3 weeks ago in the 43.50 area. This congestion is actually part of a quite wide area between 42.60 and the 38.2% Fibonacci line at 44.40. As I said before, it looks good, but it has only been tested recently. So far today, a slightly lower open, followed by a small dip, but really today has been a subsequent reaction back up, almost, but not quite reaching the overhead long moving average, and thus possibly setting up the last 3 working days as a possible bullish morning star pattern. We shall see how this develops. Well, it turns out maybe from tomorrow onwards. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.